It's the day after Thanksgiving, and Cross is getting really good at casting his fishing pole, and he's going to show everybody how it's done. All right, Cross, we're watching. Excellent job. And now what do you do once you cast it?
I'm gonna try this 2 times on the video, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna really do.
Okay. So you're going to cast it one more time for us?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna try this all over again.
Okay. What are you doing? You drive the boat?
Mommy.
Excellent job, Cross.
All
All right, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.